Darci. I get a phone call from you, and immediately I felt your radiant energy. Tell me how you found the Harris Ranch Lofts.
So we live full-time in Sun Valley, and we just wanted to have a change of scenery. So I asked ChatGPT, I asked, what is the best place to live in Boise? Boom, it pops up, it says Harris Ranch. So immediately I started looking up places in Harris Ranch, and we just wanted more of like a luxury condo, just a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And then you popped up as the realtor.
And the rest is history.
And the rest is history, yes.
Mark,
Yep.
you are an NFL football star, and you climbed the 7 summits. Tell me about the connection with the mountain and you purchasing a Mountain View luxury loft.
I was absolutely blown away when we were standing here looking out the balcony, looking out the windows, and we're seeing straight out our window these beautiful mountains, and just that affinity for me to be in a place where I can really be inspired and go climb. And by the way, we're only a few minutes away from getting into the trails, into the mountains, and doing all the things that I love to do. And so on one side you got the river, and the other side you have the mountains, and in between you have a lot of nature that's growing. And so the way they've really incorporated these state-of-the-art buildings along with nature, it's really unique and amazing.
With Boise, we could just get in our car from Sun Valley. We don't have to plan it, and we could come whenever we want. And we're getting more city because living in Sun Valley, it's a resort town. So coming to the city, coming to all the things that we love so much. We love the culinary experience here.
You're talking like New York grade type restaurants that are at the tip of your fingers. We love Percy. We were at another place called the Matador last night, right in the middle of downtown, which is only 10 minutes away. 8th Street, yeah, and it's just incredible, and the people out there playing music, and a great vibe and live atmosphere that's out there, and everybody's happy because the sun's out and it's warm and there's music and there's great food and all that kind of stuff. So the ability to access world-class restaurants is right at your fingertips.
You know, where we have our place here at the Murray, it is so beautiful. You kind of feel like you're in this luxury place like New York City. I mean, you come in, you go up, everything is turnkey, and that's really, at the end of the day, what we wanted. We wanted to lock our doors and be able to leave and feel at peace when we were on our way back to Sun Valley. It's just, it's perfect, and we feel like, you know, truly that this is our second home. In Kingston here, our pug, you know, I put him in his little stroller, or we go walking right around the neighborhood. In addition, at the Murray, there is a place where you could take your dog and you could wash your dog.
Lastly, how was your overall experience? We, I think, had one of our quickest closings ever with you.
You know, I would have to give total kudos, you know, to you, Melanie. You're a total hustler. You're on it. You have a lot of things going on. There's a lot of development going on right now in Harris Ranch to build it all out. Yet we felt like we were your only client. And that's a special feeling when you can form that kind of relationship. You know, you kind of...
Amazing communication.
Amazing communication, and communication is everything. Communication is the key to life. And you have mastered that in your sales skill, as well as your ability to really connect and really identify and understand what your clients' needs are.
Yes.
Was it your intention to make me cry today?